Hello everyone, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for stopping by. Now today I get to share with you a lovely package. Now this package is right up my alley. I'm loving it. This is the Scrapping for Less Flavor of the Month kit for January 2018. Now I was so excited. The theme for this month's kit is called Coffee, Craft, and Repeat. So you can guess that this kit is all about coffee and I'm loving it. Now this is the download sheet. Well, actually it's not a download sheet, it's an ingredient sheet that you can download. Let's put it that way. And there is two different levels of card kits. There's the double dip sundae, and then there's the banana split sundae. So that's lovely. Now you can also download the sketch sheet every month along with the card kits. They put together a sketch sheet for downloading for inspiration and ideas. Today for the blog hop, all the design team's going to be using the sketch sheet, which is going to be so fun. A lot of inspiration during the blog hop. Your package will always come this way in a bag and in a priority mail envelope, and I've never had any problems with it coming that way. I am in love with it. Your cardstock is nicely packed between cardboard pieces, which is great. And let's just take a look at the cardstock here. Now you get 4 different colors, and new this month, Scrapping for Less is adding the My Favorite Things cardstock, which is lovely. This is really neat cardstock. It has little color flakes in there, which is really nice. So that's your color palette. And then you also get 4 sheets of white cardstock. This is Nina 110-pound white cardstock. I use this to do my stamping on. I love this stuff. It's fantastic. In fact, I quarter it, and I never run out of my white stamping cardstock, so that's really great. So your color palette, as you can tell, is coffee, and so I'm going to show you what comes in each collection. That's the neat thing about Scrapping for Less's card kits, is there's 4 collections in one kit. It's like getting 4 card kits in one. So if you're curious, if you do get the kit and want to know which collection is which, on each of the little sequin mixes, it will tell you which collection is which. So I just found that and I thought that was fun. I thought I'd share that with you guys. So this is collection number 1. We're going to take a look here. Now it comes with a stamp set. And this one is from Deep Red. It's called Coffee with Friends. And then you get 6 sheets of 6x6 pattern paper. These ones here are single-sided. And the pattern papers that I'm showing you, you may not get. What Scrapping for Less does is they take an entire collection and they divide it, they split it up, and then distribute it between the kits. So what I'm showing you here, you might not get. Now, I know you're not going to get one with a hole in it. I actually did a sneak peek on a card using collection number 1, so that's why I'm missing some paper from there. But you also get some enamel dots, and then you get 4 stickers. These are Mrs. Grossman's 3D coffee and donut stickers, and then you get some coordinating Kennedy gray sequins. So that's everything you get in collection number 1. So we have 3 more to go, so we're just going to set this aside and move on to collection number 2. Now collection number 2, you get some pattern paper. These ones are double-sided. This is from Doodlebug Designs. This is the Cream and Sugar collection. So you get 6 sheets here. Love this. Some of you will get, the cutouts. Some of you won't, but it's the same collection, so everything still coordinates. Now each collection also comes, well, let me tell you about the stamp set. This is from Pink and Maine, and it is so cute. It's called Neat Coffee, and then every collection gets an envelope, so I'll let you know that too. Now this is half of an icon sticker sheet. This is from Doodlebug, and it coordinates with the paper, which is so fun. So your stickers might vary too, because of course the sticker sheet split. And then you also get 3 coffee and donut paper clips, which are so cute. They're from Doodlebug as well. So that's everything in collection number 2. Now we're going to move along to collection number 3. Now of course you get your envelope, and then this paper here is from My Favorite Things. It's called from the Homespun collection. These are single-sided, and I love the soft pale colors of these. And this is like a gingham pattern here, and they're all two-tone, which I really love. I love the softness of these pattern papers. So you get those. You get 6 of them. Your stamp set for this collection is from Greening Farm, and it's called Perk Up. So cute. I've used that one before, and I love it. And then you get 4 stickers. These are called Donut Flake stickers, and they're on the thin side, but they are stickers, so don't think they're paper. There's sticky back on there. So you get 4 of those, little donuts and coffee, and then you also get this cute little coffee and donut clips by Dodo. Oh, no, I'm sorry. This is a donut or coffee clip by Paper House Studio. So it just clips on your paper. Now either you'll get a coffee or a donut. So that's your little clip, and then you get your sequin mix that coordinates as well. So that's everything in collection number 3. Now for collection number 4, along with your envelope, you get 6 high 5 6x6 pattern papers. These are from We Are Memory Keepers, and these are single-sided with a lot of fun elements that coordinate well with the pattern paper. Love that. So those are your pattern papers. And then for your stamp set, you get the Cool Beans by Avery L., which is so cute. I love that one. Well, I love them all, actually. Okay, so that's your stamp set. Remember, your paper will vary, but it is the same collection, so it's going to coordinate beautifully. You're going to get some baker's twine in here. I actually used mine for my sneak peek card there. And then you're going to get 4 flowers. Love that. And then your Kennedy Gray sequins. So that's everything in collection number 4. Now everything I showed you is part of the Double Dip Sunday kit. So if you like what you see here, then you'll want to order the double dip. Now there's more if you want to add on and create get the banana split level. You get an extra goodie bag. Now in the banana split level in this month's kit, you'll get a chocolate brown ink pad by Dairies, and then you'll get this. Well, this is so fun. Oh my goodness, you get this card here. Now it has a coffee cup die cut out of it, and then you also get the shaker window that goes inside. I thought that was so fun. I'm looking forward to using that, plus because you get a lot of sequins in the kit. So you get this one, and then you also get this die here. This is the Cozy Coffee die by Paper Smooches. The coffee beans come out, and so does the little heart, which I thought was so fun. Now you also get another stamp set. Now this stamp set's from Altenew, and it's called Coffee Ring. And so this is everything you're going to get in the banana split level. This is the Mac Daddy. You get tons and tons. So if you're interested, I'll leave links below to where you can check everything out. I have a feeling these kits are going to go by really fast, so you might want to head on over there. And today Scrapping for Less is having a blog hop too. You'll want to check out lots of inspiration from the Scrapping for Less design team out there. And so we're going to make some cards. So all the design teams using the sketch. So instead of using each collection today, I decided to shake it up a little bit. I'm going to use one collection and use all the sketches for one collection. Okay, so I'm using collection number 2. So we're going to use the Pink and Main Need Coffee stamp set. This little gal is me 100%. I love this little gal. I'm just going to place her on a piece of cardstock that came in the kit. And then for the sentiment, I'm going to just stamp just add coffee. I'm going to put that right below her there. Okay, just using my Memento Tuxedo Black ink, I'm going to ink her up. Now I'm going to color this little gal in with my alcohol markers, my Copic markers. Now I skipped the coloring, guys, just everybody colors different, and just to save a little bit of time, but I did color her in. So once I have her stamped, I colored her in. I made her robes with some pinks and reds. I thought she was so cute. And here she is. I loved coloring her in. I could color her in all day, but she is me all the way. I love the little curlers. Okay, so I'm going to cut out a panel with the little girl in it, and then I took this piece of pattern paper and I trimmed it down. I trimmed this one down to 4 inches by 2.5 inches, and I'm going to place it towards the top just using my tape runner. Once I have that done, I did cut out some 1-inch circles using the pink pattern paper, and I'm going to add 3 to the right side, the very top right side of this strip of paper. Now this red piece of paper is 2 inches by 4.25. So it's going to look like that, but I'm going to pop everything up. I added foam tape behind that red panel and placed it down on my card base, and then I added some foam tape behind my stamped image here, and I'm just going to place her on my card base. Love that. Okay, now we want to add a few sequins, so I'm just going to pour these in a little dish, grab my Loooove Deluxe adhesive. I think this glue works great for sequins. I've never had any problems with them falling off. But I'm going to add 5 sequins, and I'm going to use all the same color. And I chose to use just the pink ones. Once I have that done, I did a little bit of faux stitching with my white gel pen all around the border of my card base here. And that's it. That's it for a card number 1 using sketch number 1. Here's a close-up. So cute. Okay, now for card number 2, I am taking a piece of this heart pattern paper. This is actually trimmed down to 1 inches by 4.5. And then I'm also taking this pattern paper here. This pattern paper is am I doing that backwards? It's 1.25 inch by 3.75 inches. Now my panel size is 4 inches by 5.25, so it's slightly smaller than my card base. I'm just wrapping some twine around the plaid pattern paper here, and then in the paper, the 6x6 pattern papers, there were some long strips of cutouts, and this one actually says Swedish sugar, and it just repeats itself, so I cut out a strip of that too. I had the circle die that I used to cut out my panel, my circle panel there, and then I'm just going to place that Swedish sugar sentiment right above the bow there. Okay, now we need to add some stickers. I love this cake. Well, I love cake, period. Cake and coffee, oh, that's a dangerous situation there. I added that, popped it up with some foam tape, and then just to give a little bit of softness, I added some Loooove glitter drops, and these are I don't even remember the name of those. I forget, my mind went blank, but White Blizzard, there we go. I remembered. But I placed this panel on my pink card base. Okay, now moving along to card number 3. I cut out all my elements here, including my panel here. My panel size is 4 inches by 5.25, and I'm just using white cardstock for that. The pink panel I just put on was 2.5 inches by 3.75, and then I made 2 little panels with the pattern paper, and the little panels measure 2 inches by 1.75 inches. So again, all these cards that I'm doing today, I'm following along with the sketches, so it's actually really fun. Now for this card, I decided to make a shaker. So I cut out a circle frame with white cardstock, and just using my tape runner, I'm going to adhere the plastic backing right behind it. And then taking some foam tape, I'm going to add that behind my frame. Okay, I'm just going to grab my pick and remove the back off of there. And then I'm going to grab the sequins that claim in collection number 2 and add those to my shaker window there. I did cut out the same size backing, and I'm going to just place my backing on there. And then I'm going to go ahead and adhere that to my panel. In the sketch sheet, it showed a circle, so that's the best way to, well, I like doing is to make a shaker out of it. Okay, now I'm figuring out what color of card base to use. I didn't like that one, so we're going to go with this real pretty tan color. I'm just going to place my panel on my card base, and then add some stickers. Now I wanted to use the 2 coffee mugs that came in the sticker sheet. So I'm going to directly adhere one to my shaker window, and then for this one I wanted to add a sentiment. Now this one is from that same pattern paper, and this one has Love You Latte repetitive, so I just cut out one, including the coffee cup, and then I'm going to cover that coffee cup up with the sticker coffee cup. And I'm just going to add some foam tape behind here and place that on my card base there. And I think that looks so cute. Okay, now for a little bit more, I decided there was 3 of the same size hearts in the sticker sheet. So there's a yellow one, a green one, and a pink one. I'm going to add all 3 towards the center of my shaker window. Lovely. Now just to bring into the shaker window to my coffee cups, I'm going to grab some glossy accents and fill in my coffee cups with glossy accents, so my coffee is nice and shiny. And then that's it. That's it for card 3. So cute. There's the sketch, the coordinates, and here's the close-up. Okay, now we're going to move along to card number 4, our final card for today. I'm taking this piece of pattern paper. I trimmed it down to 3 3/4 inches by 5 inches, and I placed this on a white card base today. Now I took took a strip of this red pattern paper. On the reverse side is the pink, and I cut out a real thin strip, and I'm going to place that strip on the very bottom of this pattern paper here. This pattern paper here, the red one, is 2.5 inches by 4 inches. And then I cut out a strip of this pattern paper here, and I'm going to pop that up with some foam tape. And this is going to go right above that pink strip that we had glued down. Now I wanted to use one of those paper clips, so I cut out a small circle here that will fit my paper clip. And so I'm going to grab one of the little donuts. I think these are so fun. And I wanted it to fit in the center of this circle, so I'm going to use my craft knife and cut a little slit in that circle, and then I'm going to put my paper clip through it. And I think that worked out really well. I'm going to flip it over and use my tape runner to adhere this to my panel, and then I'm just using the paper clip on the back to help secure it there too. And that's going to go right there. I'm going to add some foam tape behind the entire panel, and that's going to go in the center of my card base. Lovely. I think that's so cute. Okay, now I'm going to use some more stickers. I love this little donut jar. Oh my goodness, love this. So I popped it up with some foam tape, and I'm going to place that in the center of my panel there. And then just for a little bit more, I'm grabbing the little macaroons, and I decided to trim it down. I took the blue one off of there. I'm going to put the pink and the yellow to the right of my little dome, and then I'm going to put the blue one to the left. And then that's it. That is card number 4. Following the sketch sheet, here we go, and here's a close-up. Now here's a look at all 4 cards we made today using the sketch sheet in collection number 2. I hope this gives you some fun ideas on how to use the collection and the kit. I'll leave links below to Scrapping for Less's blog hop if you're interested too. A lot of fun ideas. I wish you a fantastic day, and we will see you again real soon. Bye-bye.